Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that after the market opening, gold showed a little downside. And right now, market is going up. In this video, we are not going to discuss everything in detail because we have already done this on Saturday. If you're looking for a detailed analysis, please watch the video from Saturday because things have not changed much and I do not want you guys to, okay, be frustrated with the repeated stuff. Okay, anyways, um, as expected, as discussed, market broke the Friday support of 4328. Yeah, market broke the support of 4328, and after taking the liquidity, okay, market went up. So in the morning, okay, we got around 100 pips, which is good enough. In a low market condition, scoring 100 pips is also pretty good. So if you have watched my previous video, hope you guys made money in the morning, or if you're part of our WhatsApp group, then I believe that you made some money. So apart from this opportunity, the second support on the chart of gold is around 4300, 4307. This is the second support where we can look for a buy position as a day trader. So during the day, there's a obviously market may come down because overall the market may be bullish. But if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart, then do we see a very bullish market? Obviously, no. So during the day, if market takes support around 430007, as a day trader, we can look for a buy position again, and we can expect around how much? 2 to 3 candles. That's it. Personally, I will be exiting around 2 candles because overall the market may be bullish, but we should not forget, as a day trader, that the market is a little bit sideways here. And as a day trader, our stop losses are not that huge. We cannot take a buy position and forget, isn't it? So, my dear friends, this is the second buying opportunity if market takes support. Okay, and try to exit quickly. Apart from these two supports, we also have a support around 4280. Okay, the dotted line here, but chances of market coming to 4280 is less. So, I'm just focusing on this particular two levels here. One thing I would like to mention here is that 4300 is a key level as of now because as a day trader, okay, we are playing level to level, but there are many people, okay, who are expecting upside in the next few days. So if you have any ongoing buy position on gold, you can hold your buy position because the overall sentiment is bullish. But my dear friend, if gold breaks 4300, the blue box that you see here, okay, if market breaks 4300, it will be better for you to exit because we should not forget that overall the chart is not very positive. I'm not talking about the 50 minutes time frame, the higher time frame. Remember the higher time frames? Okay, the higher time frames are not very positive. Let me take you to 4 hours chart. Okay, so if we zoom out, you can see this is the attempt from gold to recover. Okay, as we have already discussed plenty of times, 4400 is going to be very important level. So if market breaks 4400, then yeah, well and good. But as of now, we should not forget that this is just a temporary recovery right now. So my dear day traders, if gold breaks 4300, okay, be cautious again. And day traders, okay, nothing much to say. We are just going with the flow. We are just doing level to level trading here. And if market goes up, then yeah, 4380, remember? 4380 4400. The red box, okay, is a very problematic zone. Okay, why problematic zone? Because the zone is very big. You can see it is a zone of $20, 200 pips. So if market goes up, okay, switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes, 5 minutes. And if you want to go for a sell position, for example, if market shows strong price rejection around 4400, 4390, we can look for a sell position, but try to go with a small lot size. Okay, and try to exit quickly. Okay, the 4380, 4400 is still a resistance, but a, a level exists. That doesn't mean that we will have to trade because we also need to think about risk to reward ratio as well. अगर zone बहुत बड़ा है तो risk to reward ratio कई बार match नहीं होता है. So think about the risk to reward ratio. If the risk to reward ratio is good enough, then we can go for it. Right now, trading opportunities are not much, okay, because right now market is trading in a range here. Let's wait and watch. Hopefully during the US session, more opportunities will unfold. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.